I wanted to do a quick little video test. Test out the microphone on top of my hat and see how better that sounds. But I also wanted to do a little intro for the video. We worked mainly with Trent's car. We did get worked on his belts, getting his belts adjusted. So just to tie up loose straps, tighten down the bolts a little bit, and that's ready to go. We will do the oil change on his engine and get the clutch on, get the chain on, get this thing cleaned up, go over all the bolts, and he's all ready to go. Xander's cart is good to go, just needs to put the wheels on, wipe it down, and it's ready to go. I fired that up and ran that last week, so yeah, we're getting closer. We're live. Alright, let me go over the other side first. So climb in. So one of the things in the off season, we have to get some new belts in this thing because these other ones were expired at the end of last year. So we got to make sure that we got to adjust the belts, and we got to make sure he fits in the seat.
Yeah, I think I fit in the seat. Yeah.
Make sure you're comfortable. So remember how to do this? I know it needs greased up. Yeah, because this should be at your cheekbone. So put your head straight up, like look out. Yeah, so okay. Damn, you're getting tall. I mean, we could move this up one more notch, just move this one up, which that we might do that. Because your head kind of is hitting. Yeah, your head's pretty high out of there. Okay. Well, let me get mine. Sure, the microphone's picking up me breathing, which is awesome. Okay.
Should I take this plastic off?
Oh, yeah, you can. Let me sit over here.
I think I just did it the wrong way.
Did I put those on the wrong side?
Oh, yeah, you did.
Dang it.
Just cross them across your chest.
Sure.
No, don't.
Much safer that way.
Really?
At least these are the easiest ones to swap over.
Yes.
So I'm in a dilemma.
What's your problem?
Because these belts are like super long, but you only have so much adjustment.
Mm-hmm.
And with the pull up,
It kills the other bugs if you wouldn't mind not killing the spiders. Thank you.
with the pull up,
Secure fence.
yeah. You kind of needs to be like where the adjuster's, like, I don't want the adjuster next to him in the seat, obviously.
I know. It's always been a problem.
So what do? You
Always
either
are, like in the seat.
you either have your adjuster at in the hole,
No, that's the problem with that is the adjuster hits the seat.
right? And you can't adjust it.
They
Oh,
have to be in the seat.
so you put it next to her?
Yeah, she sits. It's inside. It's just inside that hole.
Okay, I guess.
CJ's were like that. Are like. When did you get hit by a fucking Cadillac, dude? Jesus.
It's been like that.
Good thing I didn't hit in your face.
I don't even know what hit it.
You wouldn't have known if they hit you in the head. You wearing Old Spice?
What?
Anything.
Deodorant.
You smell like my grandpa, dude.
Let me have the whole belt. Ouch! How is that?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's all twisted.
Yeah, it's twisted down here. It's because it's all twisted down here, which I'll get that then. There you go. That's way better. Okay, just buckle up all the way. Which that's right in that. Can you feel that in there?
Yeah. Well, what?
Can you feel that buckle?
No.
So you hit something. We need to pull these back more. This needs to be up here. The buckle needs to be up here. Loosen the top up. It might need to go up a little bit more, or right there. I can't remember. Huh? Better than where it was in the stomach. I forget what the instructions are over there.
You're a man, Ryan. We don't read instructions.
I didn't say I read. That's what I just said. Put on your face. Go ahead. Well, that was fun. Do that again in 2 years.
Yeah.
Turn. Stop.
That's funny.
Oh. Hey. In here to charge it up, man. Get over here, Xander. She's dangerous.